Good morning, class. We want to continue with construction. So how do we construct an angle of 60 degrees? All we need is a compass and a ruler. How do we do it? Let's see. So you can see we start with the blank. They didn't tell us whether to draw any line or something. So we start with the blank. Draw any line. I'll draw that one. I'll mark one of the points as my point, center point. Then I'll get my compass, place my tip at the center, the one that I've called my center. Draw a circle, a semicircle, not a circle, a semicircle. Okay, don't change. Stand at the point here. You can stand here or here, but so long as it is on the point where the semicircle is touching your line. So you're not changing. Put your point, your compass there, draw, make an arc. Then join this point and the arc here. So I'll join. I'll use dark ink. Is it here? Yes, and here. Is it through? Yep. So if I measure this angle here, it should give me, I'll show you. If I measure using my protractor, like this, yes, here, you can see it is giving me 60 degrees. What do you realize? If you have 60 degrees here, what do you think will be on the other side? Think a bit. It's 120. How does it come about to be 120? Remember, angles on a straight line add up to 120. So if you draw here, if you construct 60 degrees here, the bigger angle will be 120. So that is another way of drawing. If they ask you to construct 120 degrees, only make the 60, leave the 60 here. This is your 60 degrees. So the other part will be 120 degrees. Okay? Let's try one more. What about if I want to bisect this one? How do I bisect this one? What did we say? If you want to bisect this one, you get your compass. If I bisect 30, if I divide it by 2, what will I get? I'll get 30 degrees. So if I want to bisect this one, I can open this and put my compass in that angle at any of the points here and here. Make an arc here. Don't change. Come here. Then make another arc. If you join here and the point where the arcs are joining, it should give you half of 60, which is 30 degrees. Let's try another one. 90 degrees. Okay, construct an angle of 90 degrees. So I start with a plane and I'll draw the line here. I'll mark one point off as my point. What will I do next? I'll get my compass, draw a small arc. Okay, draw a small arc. See? Now, mark off 60 degrees. I'm not changing. The same I've used to draw is the same I'll use to mark off the points. Mark off 60 degrees. From this point, go to that point where you've made an arc. Again, mark off 60, another 60 degrees. Again, if I stand here and I try to draw a point, it will come here showing you that these points are equal. This is 60, 60, and 60. So if 60 is here, 60 is here, and 60 is here, where does 90 lie? Here is 60. 60 plus 60, what do we get? We get 120. So it means that the 90 should lie in between here. Okay? So we bisect this 60 here to get, remember, if I have 60 plus 30, I'll get 90 degrees. And if I bisect this 60, I'll get the 30 degrees. So let us bisect this one here. So now I can change, I can reduce a bit, or I can even open. So put your needle, your tip here, make an arc here. Also make, don't change here. Also make an arc. Now join this point, your starting point, with this arc. Your starting point and this arc. Is it through? Yeah. So this angle here should be 90 degrees. Let's see. If I put my protractor here, you can see it is in 90 degrees. What about if I want to make 45 degrees? Remember, 45 degrees is a half of 90. So for me to draw 45 degrees, I will bisect this angle 90 degrees. So I'll put my points here and here. Again, follow, open an arc and bisect this angle. Let's see. If we want to construct 90, I'll use the same points, this point and this point, because this is 90. I want to bisect this angle to get 45. So I bisect, I'll put this point here, open a bit, construct an arc here, then come here, make, don't change, make an arc here. So I'll join this point and it should give me 45 degrees. Let's see. Let's see. Is it through? Yep. Let's see. It should give you 45 degrees. You can see. This is 40, then the 5 here, 45 degrees. Okay? Thank you very much.